Okay, hello grade 5. So today we will have a lesson on lesson 5. The theme of our lesson 5 is about courageous and determined. So today this is just a short video because we will only discuss one lesson, and then tomorrow we'll discuss the other lesson on lesson 5. Our lesson for today is about using verb-forming suffixes. So we've learned in the past or in the past lessons that suffixes are word endings which add a certain meaning to the word. Okay, so suffix is the one you add on the end of the word to and then it will become a new word which will also have a new meaning. So suffixes may be noun forming, adjective forming, verb forming, or adverb forming. Okay, so in the next slide, I will show you a chart of verb forming and adverb forming suffixes. Okay, so here is the chart. As you can see, some examples spelling changes in the new word. So new word. So I will tell you the when the word has the spelling of that word has been changed. So for the verb forming suffixes, we have ate, and, if I, eyes, and eyes. Okay. So for ate, it means become. So for example, if I have the word education and you add ate into it, it becomes educate. Okay, so as you can see, education and comparing to educate, the spelling was changed. So for education, Asian was removed and eight was um it was replaced by eight. Okay. Another suffix is n, so it means to become. For example, we have smooth. So you just add, you don't need to change any spelling. Okay. So you add en, it becomes smoothen. For the suffix ify, it means make or become. For example, quality. So for it to become qualify, you have to remove et in this word quality. So it will be, and then when you add if, it will become qualify. For, oh, so sorry. For eyes and eyes or eyes, it means become. For example, we have familiar. It becomes, if we use eyes, we will add eyes into it. It becomes familiarized. So we don't need to change anything for that example. We also have adjective forming suffixes. For example, the suffix full. It means to be full of. Okay. For example, I have the word beauty. Okay. And then you add full into it, it will become beautiful, but you have to remove y and replace it with I, with letter I, so that it will become the word beautiful. Okay, for the adverb forming suffixes, for example, we have the suffix li. It means in what manner. For example, the word is diligent. When you add li into it, it becomes diligently. You don't need to change any letters on the word diligent for it to become diligently. Okay, so let's do an example. Let's do this together. So I have here a word, and what suffix will you add and what will it become? So for example, we have length. and then you add n, the suffix n or en. So the new word for this is lengthen. Okay, what about real and is? So it becomes realize. Okay, it's your turn. Can you turn this into the new word? Okay, so for mommy, and then you add fi. What new word will it become? Okay, that's correct. It will become mummify. Okay, this is wrong. There should be a Y here. Oopsies. Okay. What about this word memory plus eyes? What will it become? Will you have to change anything? Okay, so you don't need to change anything. That is correct. It you do need to change something. So it will become memorized. So you just need to remove letter I from memory, from the word memory. Okay. So that's it for lesson for today. Very easy. So you will, for seat work, you will do page 171, exercise 1, number 6 to 15. Okay, so because we've done number 1 to 5 already, so we'll do this one. You don't have any homework for today, so just enjoy your free time to learn more about this lesson. Okay, that's the end of our class, and I'll see you tomorrow for our last lesson on lesson 5. Bye!